In order to make our code, what we decided to do is we purposely separated our functions as from our main body in order to keep things a lot more organized. As to our actual data, our data was sourced from the medical records of the University of California, Irvine, and it revolves around heart failure data. And it contains 12 different recorded values per patient. These values include age and years, sex as male or female, and if they have heart disease, true or false.
We started off with data tables to find the raw numbers while also offering an easy view of the entire data set.
One core visual representation that we chose for our data set is the heat map. This heat map tells us the relation between each numerical variable to each other numerical variable. The color gradient on the right corresponds to some value between 1 to -1, with -1 being an inverse proportional relationship and 1 being a directly proportional relationship.
The next two dynamic data tables are able to filter specific user-controlled ranges for the age of the population. In our own analysis, we observed a clear trend of worsening heart conditions as the age went on. Although a bit obvious, it is still important to consider the average age for heart failure and the conditions that follow it for a machine learning algorithm.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.